I2C communication is one of the common communication that is used in embedded designs, right? It uses a simple two-pin interface, which we are aware. So in this video, we will talk about clock stretching in I2C communication. So clock stretching is a mechanism used in I2C to slow down the I2C communication. For example, we have a master and a slave in I2C communication, right? So when a master is sending continuous data and the slave wants to take some time such that it does its processing to receive more data. In such cases, what slave does is it tries to pull down the SCL line part of the I2C interface to a low condition. So in this case, the master will not be able to initiate further communication, and the slave can hold it as long as possible for it to finish its activities. So that's the simplest thing. Now the question is, how long can a slave hold? Actually, I2C protocol hasn't defined any specific timeout condition for clock stretching, unless a user in their application code wants to implement for a specific time and then retry again. But there isn't any specific time limit that is mentioned, and especially it is very clear that the slave is what initiates the clock stretching. So clock stretching not only helps the slave sufficient time to process its data, it also helps to properly sync the data at its end, and also unnecessarily avoid any communication that is being sent over the bus. A very useful feature in I2C protocol, right?